Thanks for joining us today, and I'm going to show you what we made over the past few days. First, we got a pumpkin fidget, and I'm going to show you it. We painted this part for like the leaf pumpkin, and like we painted this black. I'm gonna use two colors, and I could do this and this upside down. We can make a sad face. And the thing that I like about this, because it could do like this and like it has like stripes on it, and we can play with it, and it's a fidget, and it's super fun to play with. I think you guys might like it. And we also have a ghost figure, though we will put them around like this on our like tables, rooms, and like that. And it's only 1 week away until Halloween, so get your hopes up. And like we painted like the eyes, and that already painted. And like the thing that I like about this, that you could do this, like hang out, like relaxing. Wait, I didn't show you guys yet. Okay, I'm just gonna let you show it. Like that. And yeah. And we also made a ghost face one that's just the same. And we didn't paint it. And like it's like the thing that I like about it is just like it's a different version of this, but it's just a more Halloween thing. This is the OG one. This is like a cooler one. And we also have a lighter one that we could take out this part and put it back in like this, like that. And it has slurpy arms, and it's more bigger than the others. I'm gonna let you see to get it. And yeah, that's what I like about it. That it had like a fire dripping off. And yeah. And we also made a boogeyman fidget that I could move like this. I'm gonna let you see the back. We painted the mouth. I didn't did it, I forgot. And the bike is like slightly like this. The thing that I like Boogeyman, that it's from Nightmare Before Christmas, and yeah, and we also made a bigger fidget one. This is the part where he got Santa Claus, and he wore the death cube. And see what his fate going to be. It's what I saw it. And we also made a Death Star of Darth Vader. We painted this part and that part. And we also put a bone in the middle to make it like kind of real. And Darth Vader in it because he died, and there's just another Darth Vader that is more better. And we also made a samurai mouth like this. I'm gonna show it. I like if it like had like breathing out of it, like smoke, It would be so cool. And this is what it looked like when you put it on. And that's the inside. This is the outside. And we painted the T's. And yeah. My dad is going to be a samurai for Halloween. And samurais are cool, you know. And we also made a samurai katana that's just like this, like that. And the way that you put it down, like this, like that. I'm gonna let you see it. This is the inside. And yeah, that's what we made over the past few days. It was like a lot, and the why that we didn't post our video because I didn't want to, because I had school, soccer working. I gotta get signed up for 2 sports, for running and soccer. It would be at the same time probably. And thanks for joining us today. And make sure to like and subscribe and comment. I like your videos. And peace out.